Hello, this video I will show you the how to calculate the elevation and stationing of the beginning of the vertical curve and the end of the vertical curve, and also find out the station of the high point and the elevation also of the high point. And I give you this data. So the station of the PVI is equal to 10 plus 0, the elevation on the PVI is 100 feet. My slope going up is positive, is 3%. My other slope is negative because going down is minus 5%. My length on the curve is 800 feet. And they asked me for those questions, and I wrote here all the equations. So the first thing I want to find out is the station of my station of the beginning of the vertical curve. Okay, that's just very easy. So 400 divided by 100 is 4 plus 0. I convert this into stationing. The only thing that I had to do is find out my station PVI, which is 10 plus 0, and I subtract the 4 minus the 4 station, and they give me 6 plus 0. So the station at the beginning of the curve, the elevation at the beginning of the vertical curve. So you see this triangle over here. This is my beginning of the vertical curve. This is my PVI, and this is 3%. And this distance over here is 400 feet. And I need to find how many feet goes from the PVI to the VC. In order to find out, I'll just multiply 0.3 times 400, and this is 12 feet. Now I know the PVI elevation is 100, so I just subtract this 12 feet from 100 feet, and they give me 88 feet, and this will be my elevation. That's it. Now the station of the end of the station of the end of my vertical curve is just add 10, and this is my station on the PVI, plus 4, which is half of my curve, and this is 14. Okay, so 1400. That's the station on of the end of the vertical curve. The elevation. Now I have a triangle over here. This is the end of the vertical curve. This is the PVI. Now this is 5%, and this is 400. Okay, so I just multiply 0.05 times 400, and that gave me 20 feet. Okay, now that I had to this is the elevation is 100 for my PVI minus 20, and this is 80 plus 20, 100. And this is my elevations. I have my elevation of the end of the beginning of the curve, and also my elevation of my beginning, my vertical curve, beginning of my vertical curve, and that's what they request the two question over here. Okay, yes. Now I need to work on my high point. My high point would be, I don't know. So the formula that I need to know for my high point, I go back to here. I need this equation and this equation, these two equations, number 2 and number 3. Okay, so I go back to here, and the x, the formula is minus G1 LG. So this is the distance from the beginning of my vertical curve to the high point. Okay, so this will be equal to minus 3 divided by 100 times 800 divided by 8 divided by 100 to convert everything in decimals. So that will be minus 0.03 times 800 divided by 0 minus 0.08, and this distance will be minus 300. So my x to the high point distance will be 300 feet, and converting to the station will be 3 plus 0, 0. Now I need to find out my point of my slope of this one. This is the beginning of the vertical curve. This is 300 feet, and this is 3%. So I multiply 0.03 times 300 feet, and that give me 9 feet. So 9 feet is this over here. So this elevation of the vertical curve, I go back to this, and it's 88. Okay, so I go back to here, and I write 88, and 8, 9, and that give me what is that? 97. 97. So I have my elevation over here. Now I need my offset, and go back to my formulas, and this is the formula I want to use. My offset E times, okay. So my offset distance is equal to E plus x squared divided by L divided by 2 squared. So E, I'm going to back to my formulas. E is GL divided by 8, okay? GL divided by 8. So E will be 0.08 times 800 divided by 8. And my E will be 8 feet. And now my offset will be E, which is 8, times X, which is 300, square, divided by 800, which is my length of the curve, divided by 2 square. So doing this, there will be 4.5 feet. Now I have to, this is the curve. I'm going to do it over here. This is the curve, and I need this elevation of the curve. I have this elevation, which is 97, and I did my elevation of the curve for the high point, and I found this, which is 4.5. I need to subtract 97 minus 4.5, and I get the elevation of my high point. So my elevation of my high point will be equal to 97 minus 4.5, and this is equal to 92.5. And that's it. My elevation, and my station is very easy. So I go back to my curve, which is here, minus 6 plus 0, 0, okay? My station is 6 plus 0, 0, and I add the 300, which is 3 plus 0, 0, and they give me 9 plus 0, 0. That's the station on my high point and the elevation high point. And that's it. And the next video, I'm going to use the same sample to find all the height, all on the even station of the elevation of my curve. Because this is very short video, but that's it. I hope you understood. And the next video, again, I would show how to find the elevation of the curve. And That's all for this example. I wish you like it. Thank you for watching my video, and I see you on my next video.